Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a matched audience with single image interaction. Matched audiences are one of the most important components of LinkedIn. They allow you to capture your audiences in different ways so that you can show them additional ads and ultimately influence more conversions. This is where the retargeting component that you can do on LinkedIn is so critical. Now, with single image interactions, there are a couple different ways that you can set up the matched audience. So, first and foremost, I just want to say that when you're running single image ads, top of funnel or even lower in the funnel, depending on how you want to use them, you want to make sure that you can retarget people based on those engagements. This was such a game changing, innovative way for LinkedIn to add a retargeting audience to its platform. Previously, and with most other platforms, you'd only be able to rely on placing a pixel once somebody hit the website. The problem with that is with regulations and the way that you can't place pixels as easily as you used to, now it's more difficult to do that and you don't capture your full interested audience. So by using first party data on platform, you can now make sure that you build that retargeting audience based on people that are engaging with your ads, and then you can move them through your funnel with whatever type of content that you'd like. So first, let's go ahead and navigate over to the audiences screen. I'm going to come here to plan and click on audiences. Now I'm in my different matched audiences that you either set up on platform or that you've uploaded lists for. I'm going to go to create audience and go to matched audience. Now here's where you see all your different options, the different kind of matched audiences that you can build. I'm going to go to single image. Now I have a pretty straightforward naming convention. The INF is for our agency's brand, Influent, just so when I'm going into an account for a client, I know exactly what matched audiences I built and that we're using from our agency. It's easier to filter by. But as a normal naming convention, I just put what type of matched audience I'm building. So in this one, I'm going to put single image, and then I'm going to put a dash. And you could do these for different time spans. Usually I set up 30, 60, 90, and 180 day matched audiences. So that means that if I want to use these in different ways, I'm going to have that data available to me. Maybe I have an event coming up or a promotion. I really want to focus on people that recently engaged with the ads. I might use 30 day. In my typical retargeting bucket, I'm going to use the 90 day audiences. So let's go ahead and start with the 30 days. Now, there's two ways you can set up single image interactions. One are any interactions with your ad, and the other are people who perform chargeable clicks on your ad. Now, this is really important to differentiate what these two mean. Any interactions with your ad means even if they hit commented, shared, if they hit the truncated see more button, any kind of interaction with that ad is going to place them in your retargeting funnel. The people who perform chargeable clicks on your ad means depending on your objective, they performed whatever is a chargeable click. So, for example, on website visits, they would have had to click the call to action button to get put into this audience if you build it that way. Now, there's certainly a higher intent way to build these audiences is by retargeting the people that clicked on the call to action button. Now, in this situation, typically I'm just looking to fill my audience with as many people showing some kind of interest, which includes interactions such as reactions like likes, comments, shares, or even reading more in the truncated see more button. So I'm going to set mine up that way, but you can set yours up however you'd like. I'm going to change when did they engage. This one, obviously, I'm changing to 30 days. For any kind of on-platform data, so company page visits, single image interactions, video views, LinkedIn does hold that data for up to 365 days, so a full year. I typically don't go back that far unless there's a certain reason to, like a rebrand or something. But in this situation, for starting with, I'm going to start with 30 days. And then you're going to select the audiences you want to retarget from those interactions. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of these and hit agree and create. So there you go. Now you have your single image interaction matched audience. Of course, I'm going to go back and build the 60, 90, and 180 days. But if you're wondering how to put that audience and what it means, I hope that provided some value for you. Have a great day.